Hello, how to solve for a in this equation? A to the power of 3 plus a is equal to 30. Solution. A to the power of 3 plus a is equal to 30. Then a to the power of 3 plus a minus 30 is equal to 0. 30 is equal to 27 plus 3. Then this can be written as a to the power of 3 plus a minus, this is 27 plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have a to the power of 3 plus a minus 27 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now let's pair this with this and this with this. Here we have a to the power of 3 minus 27 plus a minus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is a to the power of 3 minus 27 can be written as 3 to the power of 3 plus a minus 3 is equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have s to the power of 3 minus y to the power of 3, this is equal to s minus y bracket s square plus sy plus y square. Then we have a minus 3 bracket a square plus 3a plus 3 square plus here is a minus 3 is equal to 0. You can see that a minus 3 is common. Let's bring it out. A minus 3 bracket, if you divide this by this, we have a square plus 3a plus 3 square, that is 9. Then if you divide this by this, we have 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is a minus 3 is equal to 0, and the second case is a square plus 3a plus 9 plus 1, that is 10, is equal to 0. Then from here, a is equal to 3. This is the first value of a. Then from here, this is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. A is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b equal to 3, c is equal to 10. Then we have a is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 10 over 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square, that is 9, minus 4 times 1 times 10, that is 40, over 2 times 1, that is 2. A is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 40, that is minus 31 over 2. A is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 31 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. Then a is equal to minus 3 plus or minus, this is square root of 31, and square root of minus 1 is I over 2. These are also the value of a. Therefore, our final answer are a1 is equal to 3, which is the ray root. a2 is equal to minus 3 plus square root of 31i over 2. This is a complex root. Then a3 is equal to minus 3 minus square root of 31i over 2. This is also a complex root. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.